Advent calendar time. It's day 15. Well, it's December 15th. So we open the number 15. There's the number 15. And we push this in and we lift this part up. Get it back this time. Come on, you. There we go. And it's a little powder. Well, that's cute. Have to give it a try. Hi, it's Sharon from Sherry's Fairies. Welcome to my channel. And if you're new, I hope you enjoy this. And please subscribe. I'm trying for my 150 for the new year. So I'd really appreciate it. And all of you that have subscribed and stuck with me, I really appreciate this. It's been such fun doing up these videos. And I have lots more ideas for the next year. So I've decided I don't like the birds that I made to put on top of my little trees outside. And so I bought two other little birds. I don't like them either. They're kind of gold doves. So, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to try making those other birds again. And put way less flowers on and try and make a beak at the front so that you can see the beak sticking out. So anyhow, that's my project for today. So wish me luck. Who knows what's going to happen? Here we go. Okay, so I didn't start my camera to video what I just did. Anyhow, I'll show you. I took some of this foam core stuff that you get at the dollar store, cheap, but it bends good. And I cut little triangles and I glued them on my birds. And that's how they're going to sit on the tree. So this is the beak. I'm going to paint this black and maybe paint a little more black under here just so it looks like it has a bottom beak. And I did that for both birds. So I went and got my black paint out. Okay, there's somewhere I can put a little paint. And we're just, whoops, I take a little paintbrush. And we're just gonna, look at that, paint's really good. Only gonna need one coat and holy cow, that's great. So I'm also going to paint underneath here, cover up all that yellow. We don't want the yellow to show. And just do a little bit down here so it looks like we got a bottom beak. So now I'm making a mess. Okay. Can we see that beak? I think that works okay. That's a good beak. Okay, let's paint this beak. Well, this foam board paint's really nice and smooth. You don't need much paint. A little bit of glue there, we'll get rid of that. We'll just paint underneath a little bit. Oops. Okay, there's that beak. So, I think maybe they look more like a bird already. Now, not sure what color of feathers to use. So I stood my bird in a pot so that I can have a much better look. So it's not slanted and stuff. And now I really have to decide on the color. I really like the beige fluffy feathers. I thought they were really pretty. So let's dig out some of those. We have lots of feathers anyhow. Okay, put you over here. Put you over here. Let's dump some feathers out. Yeah, that was fun. Okay. I don't want that one. It's all broken. I need enough for 2 birdies. But I'm only going to put just very few feathers on this time, just so you get the idea that it's a bird. I'm not going to try and create a whole bird again. Okay, let's start with this and see what we can do. So I'm going to start with the tail feathers because I think those will be the easiest. And I want nice long ones. And I want them to point upwards, because I think that makes it look more like a bird. So these 2 do the job. So let's put those 2 on first. Turn the pot so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm just putting glue along here. And I'm going to take this feather. It swoops up nice. Maybe it'll make it look kind of fancy, I don't know. And we'll glue this on. Okay. Now we'll put one on this side. Yeah, this is a nice long one too. And it swoops up just like the other feather, so that's nice. There we go. There, we've got nice tail feathers. Not sure about that piece. It just, the other side doesn't have it, so I'm going to cut it off. So we've got those feathers on that side and these feathers on this side. Now, here's a real fluffy one. So should I put it down in here to fill that in? I think that would look good. So I'm just going to add one more feather in here. Just so the tail feathers are all fluffed out. There. Oh, I think that's quite the bird. It's coming along anyhow. Tail's kind of crooked, but this thing is kind of crooked anyhow. But I think it gives you more of an idea like it's a bird. Okay, so I'm going to take that one off. Just let it sit for a bit and think about. And I'm going to do the same to the other one. I think I lost it under all the feathers. There it is. Okay, now we'll put it on the stick. There, so now we have it sitting more straight. We have it sitting more straight so I can have a better visualization. This one speaks a little crooked, but oh well, it'll be kind of sitting sideways. So we need 2 more of these long ones, and I want it to curve up. Yep, you're going to curve up. Yeah. There's one. And this one is good. So we're going to put it on. This feather is nice. So we're going to put it on here. And I'm going to put it down here so that it sticks out nice. And I need my finger protector on my thumb. I'm going to touch this bird with the glue on it. Okay, we've got one feather. And we need another one. That looks pretty. Okay, come on, big feather. There we go. There's one that tilts up. So we're going to put it on this side. And that looks nice. Keep having to. There we go. And we need a nice fluffy one to put right in here. To kind of fill that in. So I'm going to take a bit of that off. And I'm going to open these and I'm going to stick this feather in here. I think that'll look good. There we go. They both have really nice tail feathers. Here's one of the birds. And here's the other bird. And I'm just going to put a feather on each side. And I think that should do it. Guess I could have used foam. Do have lots of foam. I think I'll cut this feather. And just stick it right there. No, you stay up there. There we go. And we'll turn it to this side. And we'll find another feather similar to that one. Oh, that one worked. Glue stick time. There we go. I think that bird looks good. Well, we'll leave it like this, and we'll do the other one. So, a feather for that side and a feather for this side. think that looks more like a bird than the other ones did. Let's take them off of here. Let's put them outside and see what happens. So, these are the two birdies I made. I think they look much better than the other one that was covered in feathers. Gives you more of a, they look more like birds, I think. I think they do anyhow. There's one. And there's the other. So I'm going to put them on that little tree outside and see how they look.